Hello, very good morning to all of you dears. So in today's revision module, we'll see again one poem and one exercises. Okay. So first we check the lesson landscape of the soul. Okay, landscape of the soul. So here landscape means yes, a picture, the drawing, the natural depiction. Okay. So this story is related to Chinese painting. Okay. And the story shows a difference between Chinese and European painting. In European painting, we see whatever the painter wanted to show. We see in European painting, in we see in we can judge, we can see, we see European painting. Okay, as per the painter's view. Okay, whatever the painter wanted to show, we can see. Okay, we saw that thing. But in Chinese painting, every painting is connected with a story. Every painting is connected with a story, and we should find out the mystery behind the painting. Then we can understand, we can judge the real meaning of painting. Then we can come to know, we can know about the real motive of the painting. When when we find out the motive, when we find out the story behind it. So in Chinese painting, like Shen art. Okay, so every painting is connected with a story. There is a mystery in any painting, and we should find out the mystery, and then we can understand, we can recognize, we can judge the real motive of the painting. So like that, there was a great king of China, and in his ruling there was a great artist, a great painter, Wu Daozi. Okay, so one day a Chinese emperor, okay, wanted to decorate his royal palace wall, so he appointed a famous painter, Wu Daozi. Okay, then Wu Daozi decorate whole the wall. Okay, then it was the time of emperor to visit the painting. So it was covered by curtain. As he just removed the curtain, he asked, okay, the poet wanted to find out the secret behind the painting, but the king couldn't know, he couldn't guess. Then Wu Daozi just bring Wu Daozi told to king, okay, to come with him, and he went with him. Then there was a door. Okay, there was a door. Okay, so he wanted to show the painting, and painting was kept inside the door. Okay, so then the emperor told how this door will open. So Wu Daozi replied, you should clap. You clap 3 times, then the door would remain open. Okay, so he clapped for 3 times. Okay, as he clapped 3 times, the door opened. They both went inside. Inside there was darkness, and the painting was there. Okay, so when the king went inside, suddenly, okay, Wu Daozi disappeared from there. Okay, the king was alone, kept, okay, imprisoned in cab. Okay, in this cab behind the door. Okay, so like that story connected with Chinese painting. Chinese painting not only a simple painting to check and see and can judge. Okay, according to painter's view. Okay, we should find out the secret behind it. That's why Chinese painting connected with any interesting or mysterious or curious story. So it was the first story. Second story, there was a painter, and painter draw a well picture of dragon. Okay, but he couldn't draw dragon's eyes. When people ask why you didn't draw dragon's eyes, so he replied, if I draw dragon's eye, so the dragon would fly. The dragon will fly away. That's why I am not. The dragon will be alive and fly away. That's why I am not drawing dragon's eye. Like that pictures, like that mystery, like that story connected with Chinese painting. There is one more story. There was an iron smith, and iron smith was fell, okay, in love of the iron smith fell in love with poet's daughter. There was a well-renowned poet, and he has a beautiful daughter. So then iron smith fell love, okay, in poet's daughter. Okay, so he wanted to marry with poet's daughter, but poet refused and rejected, because he was iron smith. Okay, he was in an iron smith. So then iron smith went to poet's house, and on poet's house door he draw a natural butterfly picture. a natural, very beautiful butterfly picture. When painter come, and when he came to know the picture is very beautiful, and it is drawn by Iron Smith, so then he call Iron Smith, and he just tell to Iron Smith to take training under him. So he took training, he was under training, then he could also make well famous and renowned painting. Later poet was agreed to get marry his daughter to Iron Smith. Okay, so like that, all the three stories related to Chinese painting. In Chinese painting, we whatever we see in painting, we should find out the motive behind it, and it is secret and mystery to connect with the painting. Okay, and if we talk about our Indian Nekchan was the person who is honorable and rewarded person by Indian government in Chandigarh Rock Memorial Garden. Okay, he used best material. Okay, he used best material. He recycled best material, and he made many statue. He made many images. Okay, in Rock Garden. So he was very famous Indian Nekchan. Indian Nekchan was the person who made many images by using which material? By using West material. He used West material in Chandigarh's Rock Garden, and he made many statues. He made many images in the garden. Later he was well-renowned person. Okay, later he was awarded and rewarded by Indian government. He was Indian Nekchan. Okay, so it is about this lesson. There is one poem we have, The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain means this Walt Whitman. Okay, so means here the poet wants to talk to rain, and there is a song of rain. Okay, earth has its own song, so rain also has its own song. When it rains, so it sings a song. Okay, it washes the dusty and dry places. Okay, it washes the buildings and the tree. Okay, it keeps remove dust, okay, from everywhere, and it talks to poet. Okay, how it rains. Okay, so we'll see the pattern of rain in this poem. Means when it is hard sun, so the water from water bodies gets vaporized or evaporized. Then after evaporation, it turns to cloud. In cloud, it in cloud the water vapor in form of humid stores. Okay, then the process of condensation. After process of condensation, though two clouds crush, and then it came on earth in form of rain. So we can see the way of rain, the pattern of rain, by using this process. So it is a poem of, the poem is a song of rain. Okay, and poet want to talk to rain, and rain is also there as non-living, symbolizes living thing to talk poet. Okay, so we'll see next concept in next video.